Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, Central Circle 17 versus Havells India Limited. And this case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal, short note 16. The matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT B bench and the date of the judgment is 14th March 2023. This is a case of penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C. The facts of the case are like this. In this case, the assessee filed its income tax return at an income of 218 crore. The case of the assessee was picked up for assessment under section 143 subsection 3. The assessment was completed at a figure of 228 crore as against a figure of 218 crore returned income. When these additions were made for the transfer pricing, depreciation, etc. And after making the additions and after passing the assessment order, the assessing officer also initiated the penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C for furnishing inaccurate particulars. One fact was important in this case, that the assessee was paying tax under the MAT provisions and not under the normal provisions. And the additions were made under the normal provisions. The penalty was confirmed by the assessing officer. The assessee was before the CIT appeal. The main point of the assessee was that circular number 25 dated 13th December 2015 is applicable on the assessee, which states that if the tax is payable by the assessee under the MAT provisions and if any additions are made during the assessment proceedings under the normal provisions, then the penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C cannot be levied on the assessee. The assessee was heavily relying on this circular. The CIT appeal was convinced with the point of the assessee and gave relief to the assessee on this penalty matter. The department moved to the ITAT against the order of the CIT appeal. The main contention of the department before the ITAT was that circular number 25 dated 13th December 2015 is not applicable on the assessee because the additions were not only made under the normal provisions but under the MAT provisions also. The ITAT said that it may happen that the additions are made under both the provisions, but the circular gave relief to the assessee only on the point that if the tax is payable under the MAT provisions and the additions are made under the normal provisions, then the penalty cannot be levied. It does not make any difference if the additions are even being made under the MAT provisions, because in this case the tax paid by the assessee was under the MAT provisions. So the circular is equally applicable to the assessee and the penalty cannot be levied on the assessee. Friends, this case is very important in those cases where the additions are being made under the normal provisions and the assessee is paying the tax under the MAT provisions, because sometimes it may happen that whatever the additions are being made on the normal provisions, on that point the assessee is a little bit weak on merits. So this circular is equally applicable and the assessee can take the plea by following this circular, that is circular number 25 dated 13th December 2015, that my tax is payable under the MAT provisions and hence I am not eligible or the department is not authorized to levy the penalty under section 271 subsection 1 clause C. Friends, at the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, Central Circle 17 versus Havells India Limited, and this case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal, short note 16. The matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT B bench and the date of the judgment is 14th March 2023. Thank you, friends.